Welcome to this lecture on source documents. Today we're going to start off the journey in relation to getting from source documents to a trial balance by commencing with source documents, going through our day books, looking at double entry, then the ledger accounts, and then ending up with the trial balance. That's where we're going today. So first of all, we want to talk about source documents, and you previously would have listened to a lecture on source documents explaining the different categories of them. Now what we want to do is actually look at these physical documents and see how we can use them to create information to put into our day books and then use the information for double entry to put into ledger accounts to create a trial balance. That's where we're going with this. So we'll just kick back and have a look at the definition of a source document. And a source documents are documents that detail financial and non-financial transactions relating to such matters as sales and purchase of products and or services and other types of financial transactions such as loans, taxation, and capital. Now, I appreciate that this is a rather long definition, but we need to have complete understanding because the entire foundation of all financial information is contained in source documents. So we need to physically look at them and then see how we get the information from them and put them into our day books. That would be incredibly important. Now, the documents we'll be dealing with concerning source documents will be in relation to ones that contain financial transactions. An example of something that would contain a non-financial transaction source document would be something like a delivery docket. So if you get a delivery docket in relation to a delivery to your premises of items you've purchased, let's say some stationery, that will just be proof that you've got them, you'll sign for them. But the items of source documents we'll be looking at will be things to do with sales and purchases and bank accounts and what have you. So that's where we're going with this. So let's have a little look here at source documents relating to purchases, and we'll have a look at these now. So here we have three purchase invoices. One purchase invoice there, another one here, and another one here. So these relate to a company called Trendy Tables. So you need to imagine that you are working for a company called Trendy Tables and they bought a number of items or they've been billed for a number of items that they have got the benefit of. So the first invoice here is coming from a company called Property Services Limited, as you can clearly see there. And it is dated the 1st of Jan and the customer is Trendy Tables, i.e. the company for which we work. And it's telling us that the rent charge for the period is $450 or euro or sterling, whatever the case may be. The next invoice identifies a invoice for a computer which Trendy Tables, i.e. the company we work for, has purchased from Tech Limited. The last invoice is for a conference table, and we are in the business of selling and buying tables. So we are Trendy Tables, and we bought this from Office Supplies. So there's a lot of information contained in these source documents, and it's hugely important for you to be very clear that it's these documents that create the data that goes into our bookkeeping system. That'd be massively important.